These are the Moonwalkers by Shift Robotics. These AI-powered shoes connect to your existing shoes, allowing you to walk 2.5 times faster than normal, as well as working on stairs. A few people I know have tried these, and they've actually told me really, really positive things. They say that they're really, really easy to use, and they genuinely do as described. You can walk really, really quickly, just like you're walking normally. Now, some people are saying this could be the future of walking. You know, we have... no one's quite cracked walking. We've had bikes for, cycling, we've had skateboards, we've had rollerblades, and Heelys. But these are a bit different because they use AI to recognize how you're currently walking and will adopt to that. Some people, of course, are saying it's just a gimmick and it's just, going to be a flash in the pan. What's your perspective, though? Alex, what comes to mind when you see AI-powered shoes?
Yeah, I'm firmly in the gimmick camp. I just don't understand what the problem this is trying to solve.
Too slow. You can walk 2.5 times faster.
Yeah, but your problem space is you're in an environment where your surfaces are relatively smooth because those wheels need to be able to walk on it. But somehow you want to get somewhere quick in an environment that has lots of flat surfaces but doesn't have a well-established public transport infrastructure. Like, where is that? Like, when are you in a case where, like, I really want to get to the other side of town quickly, but only by walking?
In a Tesco or in a car park?
In a Tesco, but, like, so what, you need to start slowing down at the right stop of the aisle so you can get to...
maybe.
I'm a bit perplexed by it. I mean, I guess the technology is quite cool. They say it's exactly like walking. I watched some extra videos. You do have to adjust things a bit. Like, your feet are accelerating underneath you, which means you do need to, like, shift your weight forward.
Okay.
So you do have to kind of learn how to use it properly. And I'm not entirely sure how well it will go around a corner at full tilt. I think you have to kind of start walking in baby steps as you approach the corner so it slows down and then you can go around. But, like, I don't know. I've not tried them. I would love to. I think it could be a real fun, like rollerblading, a fun kind of activity. Like, hey, I'm going to go moonwalking. But I don't think it's going to solve any real transportation issues for anyone.
Okay. Kosho, what's your perspective?
Going back to the age limit question we had before.
Yeah.
This is a product that needs a lower age limit.
Oh, definitely.
Imagine toddlers running around with this. It's the world over.
Gliding around.
Disaster waiting to happen. I'm with you. For me, this is peak hype. I mean, there's maybe a specific angle to this that's quite interesting. I think the branding being AI-powered shoes, that's probably peak AI hype.
Just
right?
put AI on anything.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Get your funding.
AI shoes. It's so random. Shoes, AI. We've raised millions. And they have. I think it was like a Kickstarter or something. But they've raised a lot of money.
Yeah.
How do we get crypto in there? That's the real question.
Good point. After this, let's work on the idea. I mean, if I'm playing devil's advocate and I'm an advocate for this thing, the real compelling part is just advanced robotics, right? It's very similar to the Boston Dynamics thing. There's lots of interacting things that are quite amazing, right? To be able to make that experience is an interplay of various fields of technology, which is cool. The AI-powered bit is pure hype. The use case and utility, I'm with you. I actually think your vision for kind of like entertaining rollerblade style thing, that actually could be quite interesting. I do think there's maybe a little bit there. It'd be niche, obviously, but the general kind of super powered shoes, I'm not sold. I'm not sold.
Okay, Adrian.
I'm pretty sure that there are some interesting applications, specific applications. Mm-hmm. You can be on that. You can have an exoskeleton also, so you can carry things. Yeah. And I do wonder what would happen if everyone on the street will have those. We'll have to have like an FAA for the
for walking.
For walking. I also wonder what will happen if you'll use only this in terms of your ability to actually continuing to have the muscles to do the proper walking.
That's a good point. Yeah.
I think it is a little bit of a gimmick at the moment. But again, I can see some applications where you can use it in construction and in a few other, even entertainment. Yeah. But there will be sort of local applications. It's interesting because it's positioned B2C, while the Spot robot, it's a sort of B2B thing.
Definitely. Yeah. They're not
when you position it B2C, you've got a lot of issues to answer for and think about. Yeah.
They are $1,000, give or take. Do you think people will buy them en masse at that price? Do you think it? No.
Again, no, I don't think so.
Well, how much are Givenchy shoes?
Well, the same people will buy that, but again, it's
Yeah.
It's a small minority.
Yeah.
But it's,
Yeah. I mean, maybe they need to add a Gucci logo to it or something.
There you go.
Yeah, that's maybe the solution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you want to use them? Would you want to try them?
Definitely would like to try them.
Yeah.
I can't see them being part of my daily life. I mean, to my point about like relatively smooth, flat surfaces.
Yeah.
You know, we live in, should we say, an older city.
Sure.
We have lots of cobblestones in places. I mean, I was on holiday recently in Bruges. There'd be a nightmare there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just can't see it being part of my daily life. I think when I want to commute somewhere quickly, I use the tube, I cycle, whatever.
Yeah.
Like that's a good way to get from places. And then when I'm in walking distance, I don't need to be 2.5 times faster. Like that's not the problem I'm solving. Yeah. But I do think they look like fun. I mean, it's like ice skating or rollerblading, but with a powered assist. It sounds great.
Yeah. Okay.